ang sekreto nyo, sa palagay nyo, at minarapat na abutin nyo to? Yes po.
May 1,001% akong pasensya.
So dahil 50 years golden anniversary nyo na, sana tumagal pa yung pagsasama nyo. Stay happy and na-appreciate ko yung tulong nyo lagi sa amin. Sa mga apo nyo, lagi nyong binibigyan ng pagmamahal. Happy anniversary and I love you both very much.
Kuya, anong sekreto?
Kailangan lang i-maintain yung happiness ng family. Huwag mawawala yung togetherness nyo. Palagi kayong iisa yung objective, mabuo ang pamilya.
Mommy, Daddy, happy anniversary. If ever I will ever have a wish or a prayer na papipiliin ako kung sino yung magiging magulang ko ulit or to relive this moment, this life ever again, I will definitely choose this. Nandun yung tears, nandun yung happiness, nandun lahat. Binigyan ako ng dalawang magulang na tulad nila. I love you, Mom and Dad. Alam nyo yan. And I'm doing my best to make you proud. Thank you.
Happy 50th anniversary. Enjoy life lang, more travels. I love you.
Ah, 1975 nung kinasal kami, ang characteristic nun, unprepared. No budget, saka a lot of problems. Siyempre, sino bang gustong mag-asawa ng 21 years old? Ganun trending na araw. Bahala na. Bahala nang mangyayari.
For your success, paring Bonnie, and for being a responsible husband and a responsible father. And of course, the woman behind your success is Maring Glo, who has so much faith in you and stood by you all these years. Congratulations again, and may you both continue to enjoy life, and in the future, let's celebrate again on your diamond anniversary.
Patunay na kahit may tubok na tayo, may kulubot, may bilbil, may high blood, andyan pa rin na pinatunayan nyo na ang true love hindi talaga nawawala. Happy golden anniversary and cheers to more blissful years and happy marriage.
To Kuya Bonnie and Ate Glo, happy 50th wedding anniversary. Today, as you celebrate this special day, may you be surrounded by the warmth of family, the love of friends, and cherished memories you have created together.
Wishing you both many more years of happiness, especially your good health, and shared laughter with a little asaran on the side. Nico, Jamie, Mark, and I love you so much. Happy golden anniversary, Mommy and Daddy.
Your love and humor through the years are truly inspiring. You've built a home full of laughter and warmth, and we're so lucky to be part of it. Here's to more love, more laughter, and more playful teasing in the years to come. And of course, more travels together.
I will never be able to experience an event like this with my parents. But in this moment, Tito and Tita allowed me to experience how it feels. Thank you for sharing 50 years of love. Not perfect, but real.
50 years is 50 years. And surely, hindi naman naging ganang kadali ang lahat ng bagay. Hindi naman naging masaya lagi ang lahat sa pagsasama.
It's more than enough to let the light in. The way you're making me feel, it's divine.
Mahabang pasensya, kanya kami umabot ng 50. Kung hindi doon sa pasensya, siguro hindi kami aabot ng 50.
Everything that I crave in.
So rings na hindi dapat mawala sa pagsasama ng mag-asawa. Caring, remembering, at ang pinaka-importante sa lahat, God-fearing.
Take my hand and my promises, they're yours to be held.
Through every joy and every challenge, you stood side by side, proving that true love isn't just about finding the right person, but choosing each other every single day. Your love has been our family's foundation, our guide, and our greatest example of what forever really means.
Take my hand and my promises, they're yours to be held and I
For my wife of 5 decades, sana bigyan kami ng extended years as healthy as possible. That's the only wish that I could say to my wife.
honor is yours.
At this point, I'd like to thank all of you. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta nyo rito.
Magandang gabi ulit sa inyong lahat. Nagpapasalamat ako sa pagdalo nyo sa anniversary namin. Lahat. Thank you, thank you. Kaya lang ang text na.
That was a past one, hindi nila nakuha, Kuya Bonnie. Tagal-tagal na naman po natin.